What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're back in Ocean City. We're fishing with Fish On sport fishing charters down on D-Dock here in Sunset Marina. The boat is a 2003 48-foot Viking with Series 60 Detroit turbo diesel engines putting out 850 horsepower a side. Austin of Primary Search Sport Fishing set me up with these guys on one of my last days down in Ocean City, and they were on the hunt for tunas. We had to run about 100 miles just to get to the grounds this trip, but with the conditions being near flat calm in the morning, it was a perfect day to run out. It's early June and the season's just kicking off here, so stick with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Unfortunately, our day started off slow with the first 2 hours being pretty quiet, and then around 9:30 things started to get pretty wild. The waves started building, and as we made our way south, they started to find some fish.
All right, I'm gonna come underneath you. Where were you at? There you go. All right, go halfway on the drag. I'm just gonna get right on the deck. What's up? Good? Yeah. 5 times. Yeah. halfway on that drag? I win. I win. Come on, come on, come on. Gotta get some. All right, yeah, there it is.
The weather only got worse from there on. The guys got 6 tunas to the boat and everyone was pretty content with it. We still had about a 60-mile run back to home port, so the guys made the executive call to wrap up the day and motor their way back.
Wrap it up. Hey,
If you guys want to know more about Fish On Sport Fishing, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You guys can check them out and book a charter with them. Thanks a bunch for dropping by today's video. Appreciate the view, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Take it easy.